Welcome back. Mickey Pacheco is likely to surrender before the crime branch on Thursday. Sources say a large crowd of Mickey supporters is expected at the crime branch Dona Paula as a show of strength and a pressure tactic. Mickey is dodging police and the media for the last 18 days.
Absconding Banauli MLA Mickey Pacheco is likely to surrender before the crime branch. Mickey, along with his ex-OSD Lyndon Montero, is wanted in Nadia death case. Sources inform that Mickey's supporters will be present in large numbers at the crime branch to show the strength. Mickey resigned on June 5th and is absconding from that day. From the last 18 days, Mickey is evading the police. Mickey Pacheco is the prime suspect in Nadia death case. Sessions Court has already rejected Mickey's anticipatory bail plea. Later, High Court also denied the anticipatory bail due on 14th of June. This has left only two options open for Mickey, either surrender or move to Supreme Court. Sources say in the current circumstances, Mickey will prefer the option to surrender. Mickey, in his arguments before the court, has linked Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Home Minister Ravi Naik with the excise scam and drug nexus. Mickey received a big blow when Bombay High Court rejected his anticipatory bail plea. And now, all eyes set on Thursday when Mickey will surface at crime branch. A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
BJP has now softened its stand on the entry of Babush into Congress. BJP spokesman Rajendra Arlekar has said that entry of Babush into Congress doesn't make any big difference to anyone. Even though BJP's legislature wing is going to discuss possibilities of filing disqualification petition against Babush, Arlekar has said that Babush's entry into Congress is not a serious issue.
BJP MLA Damu Naik on Tuesday had said that their legislature wing will discuss filing of disqualification petition against Babush. Damu had said that Babush's entry into Congress is not as per the anti-defection law and so disqualification is a good option. But now, BJP has taken a U-turn on the issue.
बाबूश मोन्सेरात आपल्या खंयच्या तरी आशिल्ल्या नाशिल्ल्या पक्षांतल्यान एका दुसऱ्या पक्षान गेलो. That did not make any difference to anybody in this small state, nor to the chief minister and nor to the government also. म्हाका दिसता चड serious matter आसा अशें दिसना.
BJP's legislature wing is going to discuss on possibilities of filing disqualification petition against Babush on Friday meeting. But Rajendra Arlekar has other worries. The most worrying fact being that earlier disqualification petitions filed in the state have yielded no results. In another development, BJP has also come very hard on excise scam. BJP says appointment of Chief Minister's Secretary Rajiv Yaduvamshi to probe excise scam is not a proper decision. BJP is not ready to trust any investigation of excise scam under Rajiv Yaduvamshi.
राजीव यदुवंशी हांचे कडेन ही चौकशी दिवप हाजो अर्थच चोराक तळें राखपाक सांगप. तूं मातशें राख आतां.
BJP says they are going to raise the issue of Rajiv Yaduvamshi in coming assembly session. BJP has reiterated their stand for CBI probe in the excise scam. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Karmana Panch and Sarpanch are into a serious rift over a proposed project of Rahejas in their area. The Panch member of the area has sternly opposed the sewerage pipeline released into River Sal. However, the Sarpanch has said that they will initiate action at the right time.
A proposed project of Raheja Builders is coming in the village of Karmana. People have time and again opposed the project, citing worst consequences in their ward. Now the Punch of the ward, Orlando Di Costa, says sewerage pipeline of the project is being let into the River Sal, which is illegal.
See, they are in the majority, they have already taken decisions which favors them. I am alone opposing the project because it is my ward is suffering. I am the ward member, they have now no relations with this ward at all. They are only related as far as the returns of the office.
Okay, and taking the money also?
Yes, otherwise why they should work against the interest of the village? What interest they have otherwise? They are working against the interest of the village because their pockets are filled.
Sarpanch of Carmona, Eustachio Di Costa, has said that they will look into the matter and initiate proper inquiry.
In future, undertaking घेतले. If sewerage आणि कितें जाय stop जातले.
आणि गार्बेज डिस्पोजल प्लान करपा जाय म्हणटात.
Garbage सगळें everything आहा म्हण सांगलें.
सगळें.
All disposal. Thing employee तुझ.
We tried to contact the Raheja builders, but they refused to speak to the media. A reporter in Carmona, Ramesh Naik Raut.
It's time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.